Hello, my name is Brianna Barlow, and I worked with Jasmine, Irene, and Pat on our presentation about HPV among adolescent females in the United States during the 21st century. For starters, we will talk about the agent of disease. So HPV, if you guys don't know, it stands for human papillomavirus. So the HPV infection is caused by the papillomavirus, as you can see, and it belongs to a group of over 150 different related viruses as well. So each HPV virus in this group is given a number, which is called their HPV type. And just a little fact, HPV is known to cause cancer in women in different regions of their bodies, such as causing cervical cancer, vaginal, and even vulvar HPV cancers. Next, we'll go ahead and talk about the host factors. So what I did find out is that HPV is highest among sexually active individuals, and also just a little fact, it is the most common sexually transmitted infection in the United States. According to the U.S. National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, I found that HPV infection was highest among 20 to 24-year-old women. The same survey also showcased that the overall prevalence of oral and genital HPV infection was higher among non-Hispanic Black adults than any other. Some areas that I think need further research in regards to the issue of HPV infection include the overall process of vaccination for this virus and also the role that carrageenan can play in regards to inhibiting HPV infection. So for starters, the normal process for HPV vaccination includes 3 different doses of the vaccine over a specific span of time. But what researchers are trying to prove is that maybe only 1 dose is required for an individual to develop that immunity against the virus. So through a clinical trial, researchers have found that the body can produce approximately 9 times more antibodies with just 1 dose of the vaccine than it would through a natural HPV infection, which is basically the amount of antibodies. Finally, here is my reference page and where you can see all the different sources that I used to